Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, I'm at Ross and I'm here to check out that 49-cent deal that they say is happening. So I don't know if you've heard about this, but I saw it going around on YouTube and I think it came from the Orlando Coupon Queen. I'll post her link down below. She said that the third week in January, they go on like heavy discount sale. Like they're just trying to get rid of stuff from the past year to bring in stuff for the new year, and things go down as low as 49 cents. It is the third week in January. She actually did a big post yesterday because people were like yelling at her because on Monday was the third week technically, but it was a holiday. And so she specifically said in her videos, they don't do it on a holiday, and people were like yelling at her. She's like, oh my gosh, I said no holidays. So anyways, this is midweek Wednesday of the third week in January, and I just thought I'd go check it out to see if it's an actual thing. So let's go check it out. Okay, so the first spot I found that has anything that looks like would be discounted, but still $2.99. That's not 49 cents. $1.49, $2.99. So yeah, not seeing any 49-cent stuff yet, and I feel like this should be by now, you know? And then I did see over here, I had this little like silk pillow thing. I actually have one of these. I don't know if it's this brand, but $3.49. I feel like that's a pretty good deal for this little pillow. Could be a really fun little gift to give. But let's keep looking. Oh, here's some more stuff. Let's see. Where are we at here? Not that I want this, but I'm just checking. I just want to know if this sale exists, you know what I mean? I mean, they definitely marked them down, but not quite as far as I was hoping they'd be yet. $1.99, $3.99. Yeah, nothing yet. Keep on going, I guess. Okay, so now we're kind of in the makeup section. We got these little lipsticks. Let's see. Discounted for sure. $9 for all those little brushes. What else we got? $2.99 for I don't know what because you can't see it. I'm not seeing anything crazy though. These kind of look holiday. Yep, discounted but not crazy. Look through all that clearance, and all that clearance, and all that clearance. Still haven't seen anything overly crazy in price-wise for being underpriced anyways. I mean, there's definitely some good deals, but nothing like 49 cents. So let's just check here. I think this right here is the lowest I have seen yet. I'm not finding anything really discounted crazy, but I did find a couple of pillows that I needed and a cute sweater for like $8. So this wasn't a waste necessarily, but definitely we're lacking in those extra crazy deals. Do you know what I mean? We're just lacking. They're not here yet. So look at this men's little shirt. That's a shirt. See? $12.99. Still not discounted. Definitely Christmas. Definitely thinking it hasn't happened yet. Oh yeah, here's another one. Hasn't happened yet. Or it's just not gonna happen. Not sure which one it is. Okay, I'm leaving. As of now, in Orange County, they do not have the little 49-cent discounts quite yet. But I will check back next week. You never know. I just kind of want to know if it's real or not, because if it was real, that'd be so fun. But I did not find even one thing that was 49 cents. So I don't know what that means. Have you had any luck? Have you searched your Ross's? Let me know in the comments below. I would just love to hear if it's an actual thing. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.